curiosity, a boon or a bane. The enigmatic essence of this characteristic found embodiment in the ancient Greek myth of Pandora, a figure whose insatiable curiosity triggered a cascade of cataclysmic events. Legend has it that Pandora, the inaugural mortal woman, was brought into existence by Hephaestus, the god of fire, who enlisted the assistance of his divine comrades to craft her into something extraordinary. From Aphrodite, she inherited the capacity for profound emotion, from Hermes, the mastery of language. Athena bestowed the gifts of fine craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail, and Hermes named her Pandora. Finally, Zeus conferred two gifts upon her, the first being the trait of curiosity embedded in her spirit, propelling her eagerly into the world, and the second, a weighty curved box securely sealed, with contents Zeus strictly forbade her to open under any circumstances. On Earth, Pandora encountered and fell in love with Epimetheus, a gifted titan entrusted by Zeus to design the natural world. Although he sorely missed his brother Prometheus, perpetually punished for bestowing fire upon humanity, Pandora became a fiery-hearted companion for Epimetheus. She exuded excitement for life on Earth, yet her thirst for knowledge and a desire to question her surroundings often led her thoughts astray to the contents of the sealed box. What hidden treasure could be so extraordinary that mortal eyes were forbidden to witness it, and why was it entrusted to her care? Her fingers itched to pry it open, and sometimes she was convinced she heard whispers and the contents rattling within, as if yearning to be liberated. The enigma of the box became increasingly maddening. Over time, Pandora's obsession with the box intensified. It seemed an uncontrollable force drew her to its contents, which echoed her name louder and louder. Unable to resist any longer, she stole away from Epimetheus, gazing at the mysterious box. She intended to steal one glance inside and rid her mind of it forever. However, the first crack of the lid led to an explosive revelation. Monstrous creatures and terrifying sounds burst forth in a cloud of smoke, encircling her with screeches and cackles. In a frenzy, Pandora clawed desperately at the air to guide them back into the confines of their prison, but the creatures billowed out in a gruesome cloud. A sense of foreboding washed over her as they dispersed. Zeus had used the box as a vessel for all the forces of malevolence and suffering he had created, and once unleashed, they proved uncontrollable. Amidst her tears, Pandora became aware of a gentle tinkling sound emanating from within the box. This wasn't the eerie whispering of demons, but a soothing melody that alleviated her anguish. When she lifted the lid once more, a warm beam of light ascended and fluttered away. Watching it flicker in the aftermath of the malevolence she had unleashed, Pandora's agony was assuaged. She understood that the act of opening the box was irreversible, but alongside the turmoil she had set in motion, hope emerged to temper its effects. Today, Pandora's box symbolizes the dire consequences of delving into the unknown. Yet Pandora's relentless curiosity also underscores the dual nature at the core of human inquiry. Are we destined to unravel every mystery, to extract more from the earth? Or are there some enigmas better left unsolved?